What up, brawlers? Bakugan is the awesomest new battling game on the planet, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to play. So get ready to rip into battle, cause this is your beginner's training guide to the all-new Bakugan. Okay, brawlers, it's time to get this battle started. The first thing you're gonna need to Bakugan brawl is a few Bakugan. At least one has to be the rolling kind, and today, we've got two. Okay, sick! We've got a couple regular Bakugan here, and one of the awesome new special attack Bakugan. These are gonna do some serious damage in battle. If you've never played with Bakugan, all you need to know is that these balls transform into battling creatures when you roll them over these magnetic gate cards. Check this. Ooh, Drago for the win! Regular Bakugan roll, special attack Bakugan spin. They both transform into awesome creatures in battle. If rolling is your jam, just aim for a spot on your magnetic gate card and roll out. Nice! If you're lucky enough to have a special attack Bakugan, you're gonna want to use the included ripcord to spin it into battle, like this. Fire! Now you can roll and spin all you want, but it's not a battle until you've got some competition. So the next thing to do is grab a friend and get ready to battle. We've got the awesome new Bakugan Battle Arena here, but if you don't have one of your own, you can also just find a table to brawl on. Now let me drop some Bakugan basics on you. A Bakugan battle is a head-to-head contest between two players, where each player has 3 Bakugan figures. The simplest way to play is to see which player can roll or spin their Bakugan and transform the most creatures. The player with the most transformations wins. But before we get started, let's lay out some magnetic gate cards. Next, all we need to do is select our Bakugan and count down together. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl! If you're doing it right, your Bakugan will roll or spin towards the magnetic gate cards. Winner! You got that? It's not rocket science, but it pays to play smart. There are lots of interesting strategies you can bring to your battles. Boom! Now you're ready for battle! Congratulations on passing the Bakugan Brawlers Level 1 training video. Have fun practicing your attack and strategizing for the brawl. When you're ready to take the battle up a notch, check back with us for the Bakugan Brawlers Level 2 training video, where we'll teach you more ways to win. Bakugan Brawl!